Hello?
Everybody that's on Zoom, please put your mics on mute. Okay, thank you. Okay, the person that's on Zoom that has Twyla King,
I'm gonna go to this escort. You just text.
you can take your mic off of mute.
I think it's out there.
Okay, your full name is Twyla King?
Twala Jeanette King.
Okay, hold on. We'll see if you on the docket. Hold on a minute.
Twala King, yes. My attorney, Mr. Pageant, texted me yesterday to be on here.
Okay, the person that's on Zoom that has Samsung SMA148U, please state your full name.
Leo Anthony Gordon.
Okay, Mr. Gordon, you can put your mic back on mute.
Yes, sir.
And that's the person that's on Zoom that has iPhone. Please state your full name. Take your mic off of mute. Person that's on Zoom that has iPhone, take your mic off of mute and state your full name. Ms. King,
Yes, sir.
your court date is October 22nd
Yes, sir.
of 2025 at 9 a.m. It's not today.
My attorney, James Pageant, called me yesterday and told me to log on this morning. I don't know why.
Well, he wants to finish. You can't figure from Zoom. Yeah, you need to, your attorney is not here at this time, but your case is not until October
Right.
22nd.
Yes, I was there last week when you told me. Yes. Yeah, yes, sir, I was there last week when you told me. I was in front of your desk when you told me last week. But yesterday he sent me a text at 5:15 to log on to this and show me. I don't know. I'm just
Okay, you
here
may-
following order.
Okay, well, you text him back and let him know that you were informed by the court. What? You don't see Paget on her case. Did you just hire Paget?
No, I hired him before this case even went to court. When I went to jail, I hired him.
Okay, hold on a minute.
That's from like a month ago. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I have the text with me. He texted yesterday.
Mr. Paget needs to file an attorney rep letter saying, informing the court that he represents you. He has until October 22nd to file it. He hadn't filed it. So your court date is not today.
Okay.
You're breaking up. Where
October 22nd. Yeah, I got a letter personally from you on the 16th when I was there last week when I was in court.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm still at work too. No, I got the letter from you last week when I was in front of you for court last week. So I know it's the 22nd, but I don't know why he sent me the text to be on here for this
I don't
morning.
know. You need to
I don't-
check with Mr. Paget. You can text him back and find out.
Okay, thank
All right.
you.
All right, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
You too, sir.
You're welcome.
Friend of mine.
Hey, Miss King, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Paget, Mr. Paget is here now. She said that you texted her yesterday to be here today. Her court date is not until October 22nd, and you have not filed a letter of rep.
Right.
Her name is Twyla King.
Right. I am representing Ms. Twyla King.
Okay, well, you need to send a letter of rep, but her court
Okay,
date.
I have noted on here that we did, so I'll talk to my.
Okay, but the case is not set today. It's set October 22nd.
Okay. Ms. King? Ms. King?
I think she is frozen.
Yes, sir.
She can hear you now.
Hello.
Ms. King?
Yes, sir.
I'll call you in just about
Yes,
a
sir.
minute or so, okay? Just sit tight. I'll call you. in about
Okay,
2
thank
minutes.
you.
Okay, just 1 second. I'm
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome. All right, bye.
I'll come on
Thank you, sir.
unusual.
Okay, you're welcome. You have a blessed day.
I'll take
Thank
care
you,
of it.
sir.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning, we have two dockets. We have our announcement docket and our motion to revoke probation docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are not represented by an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the court by yourself. Let's see. Adam Wade Satterfield.
Senator, I've received information that Mr. Satterfield is on Interstate 10 in a traffic jam and is approximately 1 hour from being here.
Oh, he can appear via Zoom. You can give him the Zoom number if he's in his
My
car.
office is trying to do that now.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, we'll wait, see if he appears
I'll let you.
by Zoom. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 2846. Case is Styles, Texas versus Leo Anthony Gordon. Mr. Gordon is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Gordon, would you please
Yes,
take
Your Honor.
your mic off of mute? How are you doing, Mr. Gordon?
I'm doing all right. How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Gordon, you're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. State is represented in this case by Attorney Haley Simmons. Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Paget, what's your announcement in Mr. Gordon's
Your Honor,
case?
we're trying to get discovery completed on the video evidence. I will, as soon as I receive it, I'll request an offer from Ms. Simmons.
Okay, give us a reset date. October 22nd was just October 22nd? Okay.
See a problem with it.
Okay, this case will be reset to October 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Gordon, on that date, you need to be in court in person and stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset date. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, Your Honor. You too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And I'll take care of that other issue today.
Okay, you're welcome. Landon Paye,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Paye, how
you
are
hear
you
me?
doing?
I'm doing good. Can you hear me?
I'm doing, yeah, I can hear you. Mr.
Okay.
Paye, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Theodore Johns Jr. Mr. Johns, how you doing?
Pretty good, Your Honor.
That's good. Mr. Johns, what's your announcements in Mr. Paye's
It's
cases?
gonna be a plea, a reset for a plea.
Okay, give us a reset date.
It's gonna be, November the 3rd.
Okay, this case will be reset to November 3rd, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Paye, on that date, you need to be in court in person. Your reset, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date, November 3rd, 2025 at 9 a.m. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You too, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gavin Shishan. Mr. Shishan, your full name is Gavin Shishan.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Shishan? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Shishan, you're represented in your case by your attorney, John Macy. Attorney Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor.
And the state is represented in this case by attorney Shane Hilton. Mr. Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, Mr. Macy, what is your announcement in Mr. Shishan's case?
Your Honor, I'd like the case to get reset so I can have a chance to see if he, can get offered the pretrial diversion.
Get in pretrial diversion?
Yeah, he's 17 years old, Judge.
Okay. So I just merely submit a letter, I think.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, I'll reset this case. Let me see, December, it has to go to December, right? Okay, this case will be reset to December 15th, 2025 to give you an opportunity to submit your application for pretrial diversion. Mr. Shishan, you'll be able to get a copy of your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy of your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. And Mr. Macy, I think this is your only case, is that
it
correct?
is in here, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see. Raymond Lee Anderson. Yeah, this case was just transferred.
Right, Your Honor. And I need some time to finish going over discovery with Mr. Anderson and talk with it.
Okay,
Ask for moments.
probably need to get some, give me some bond conditions.
Very well.
This is an announcement.
Do you have any car? If you'll call my office, ask for Sherry. She'll take.
Okay, I'll do something. Yeah.
Did, Burla make a copy of the sign-in sheet for AANA? Trina,
It's in the folder.
Okay.
He has it all.
okay. Thank you. Did you make a copy of this? Thank you. Okay. Okay, Mr. Anderson, I'm going to hand your attorney a copy of these bond conditions. He will hand it to you. I'm going to go over these bond conditions with you. And it states standard bond conditions in County Court Order number 2. Following return of a criminal information in County Court Order number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed a release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes.
Condition number 2, defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes.
Now, condition number 3 does not apply. However, condition number 4 does apply. And the reason why it applies is because your offense is listed as a subsequent offense under section 49.04 through 49.06 of the Texas Penal Code. And condition number 4 states, a defendant whose information charges any subsequent offense listed under section 49.04 through 49.06 of the Texas Penal Code shall not operate any motor vehicle unless the vehicle is equipped with an interlock device that makes impractical the operation of the vehicle if ethyl alcohol is detected in the breath of the operator. And said device shall be installed at the defendant's expense with written verifications of such installation being submitted to the court on or before 3 days after the date. Yes.
Your Honor, Mr. Anderson's vehicle is in the shop being repaired.
Okay.
And as soon as he gets it out, he'll have the interlock installed.
Okay.
Uh,
So,
I
okay.
mean, it's probably a week or
I
so.
don't know.
Okay, so whenever-
So,
So once you get it repaired, then you're required to have the interlock device
yes,
placed on the vehicle. And then your attorney will get that information to us. Okay? Now, defendant shall obtain, maintain, pay for, and have no violations with the diction and the lock device or mobile breath device. Any violation will be grounds for revocation, meaning that if you violate this condition, then your bond can be revoked. Okay. Now, defendant must attend AANA meetings 3 times a week and provide proof to the court. And I have a list of locations in our area that have AA meetings, and I have a sign-in sheet so that when you go, the sponsor will sign, and then when you come back to court, you just bring that back to court so we can verify that you have been attending. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked, and if your bond is revoked, warrant will be issued for your arrest, and you'll be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Now, your case is being reset. What's the reset date? We're gonna keep it on the announcement docket, yes. November the 3rd? Okay. This case will be reset to November 3rd, 2025. You'll be able to get your reset from our court coordinator once you get your reset. Mr. Anderson, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yo.
All right, thank you. James Cole Easley. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is cause number, where's the probation? Where's Mr. Gilliam?
Mr.
Okay, okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 1422, case of Solid State of Texas versus James Cole Easley. Mr. Easley, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Easley?
No, I
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Easley, you're represented in your case by your attorney James Macon. And again, the state is represented in this case by attorney Shane Hilton. The probation officer in this case is Mr. Gary Gilliam. And Mr. Gilliam, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Macon, what's your announcement in Mr. Easley's case?
Your Honor, Mr. Easley has a matter out of Ellis County that I've talked to them and they say it may be several months before they get anything done on it. He's talked to them and received the same information. So, I mean, I'd like it reset till.
That's the basis of the motion revoked,
Yeah.
Your Honor. The new charge out of Ellis County.
Okay, let's give him we're gonna give you a 60-day reset.
That'll be fine.
Okay. Yes. You say he has a case in Ellis County?
Yes, Your Honor.
November 19th?
November 19th? Okay, this case will be reset to November 19th, 2025. NKES case in Ellis County. Okay, Mr. Easley, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
We have some issues, Judge. You have to have.
Looks the computer, okay.
Well, I've got a guy stuck on interview.
Yeah,
10.
we're trying Okay. Jefferson County Code at Law number 2 is back in session. Its code is in session in cause number. Let's see. Cause number 25 CCCR 0688. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Aurelia Ramirez. Ms. Ramirez, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God? You may put your hand down. How are you doing?
Good.
Good? That's good. Now, Ms. Ramirez, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Charles Rojas. Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
And Ms. Rojas, do you waive a record in Ms. Ramirez's case?
We do.
Ms. Ramirez, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Aurelia Ramirez, on or about January 9th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest, detention. Ms. Ramirez, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
And to discharge Ms. Ramirez, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Ms. Ramirez, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah, yes.
And Ms. Ramirez, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials, AR, on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document, that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, ma'am.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to appeal this case. Do you understand that statement? Ms. Ramirez, I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Now, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Rojas, go over these documents with you? Okay. And did you understand everything that he went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Ms. Ramirez, are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
You fill out that out.
We did it.
Okay. Okay. Now, Ms. Ramirez, I have before me a document that is titled Spanish. And, well, first of all, Ms. Ramirez, what country are you from?
Mexico.
Mexico. Okay. So I have a document before me, Ms. Ramirez, that's titled Spanish Statement Number 1 for all foreign nationals except those from mandatory notification countries. Now, this document is in Spanish. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And just for the record, you speak Spanish and English. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, Ms. Ramirez, is this your signature on the line that is titled Signature?
Yes.
And there is one word that's circled, it's no, and it's below a statement that is in English that states, do you want us to notify your consular officers at this time?
No, that's fine.
And you don't want to, and you don't want us to notify your consuls. Okay. Now, Miss Ramirez. Before you sign and initial all of these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you? Did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Sí, yes.
Okay. Did you understand everything that
yes.
he
Yes.
explained?
Yes,
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? They're true and correct?
yes, sir.
Okay. State.
That overstates exhibit one.
No objection.
No objection. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Rojas, you advised and counseled Ms. Ramirez. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No.
And Mr. Rojas, did you advise Ms. Ramirez the consequences of pleading guilty of no contest pursuant to the case Padilla versus Kentucky?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay. And Ms. Ramirez, I have before me, going back to State's exhibit number 1, there's a set of initials below this paragraph that's titled citizenship, and the paragraph states that if you're not a U.S. citizen on a plea of guilty no contender, it may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And do you still want to go forward with your plea? You do? Do you still want to go forward with your plea bargain that you made in this case?
no, that's fine. Sí,
Okay, you do. All right. Now, Ms. Ramirez, are you satisfied with the services of your attorney?
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Now, Ms. Ramirez, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court for 7 days county jail with credit for time served is 7 days, and ask that the court costs in this matter be taxed and retired.
Okay, Ms. Ramirez, the state is offering that you serve 7 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you would not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 7 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Ramirez, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes,
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
sí,
And do you accept the state's offer? Okay. Ms. Ramirez, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Ramirez, you're gonna stand at the end of that table,
okay,
follow the directions of the bailiff. And once you finish following her directions, you will be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Ms. Rojas, I think this is your only case.
I have one more.
One more.
We're enter dismissal in 2 minutes.
Okay,
thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes,
Mr. Satterfield is here.
okay.
Mr. Satterfield. Yes. Come on.
Okay, the court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 0706. Case is style the state of Texas versus Adam Wade Satterfield. Mr. Satterfield, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Satterfield?
Doing good.
Okay. Understand you was a little stuck in some traffic earlier?
Yes, sir, I was.
Okay,
Now,
wow. Now, Mr. Satterfield, you represented your case by your attorney, James Macon. Mr. Macon, what's your announcement in Mr. Satterfield's
Your
case?
Honor, I would ask for a 60-day reset so I can finish going over all the discovery with Mr. Satterfield.
Okay. Give us a reset date?
60 days.
Yes,
Is it on that site on the November 19th?
November 19th. Okay, this case will be reset to November 19th, 2025. Now, at 9 a.m., you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a safe trip
thanks.
and have a blessed day. And Mr. Macon, this is your last case. You'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Now, Miss Ribbon,
Yes, sir.
you had reset another one of his cases on that day?
Easily, the HRP.
Oh, okay, easily. Okay,
Your Honor,
yes,
I just have a reset.
okay. Okay, who do we have? Aubrey Grace Kennedy. Miss Kennedy, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Miss Kennedy, representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Krista Carlton. Ms. Carlton, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, what is your announcement in Miss Kennedy's case?
Your Honor, we have applied for pretrial diversion and we're waiting for an answer back from Pat as to whether she's approved or not.
Okay, so that'll be that anger match. Okay, give us I'll be in December. Give us a reset date. Was that the December 15th date?
Yes, sir.
Well, yeah, because it's part of the pretrial diversion program. Because this is an assault case. So it'll be December 15th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
You're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Kennedy, you'll be free to go as well. And you have a blessed day.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Yes,
Ms. Jones?
Jones.
She is present.
Unique Rochelle Jones.
No, it was good, Andrew.
You can put your purse on that table. This is cause number 25 CCCR. Let's see, 1302, case is filed in the state of Texas versus Unique Rochelle Jones.
Your Honor, what I'd like to request from the court is, I visited with Mr. Hilton today, conveyed an offer to her. She wants to think about it, so can we get a 30-day reset?
30-day reset?
Yeah, the
for
case
Miss-
is pretty much brand new.
You good?
Okay, so, could you give us a reset date for Ms. Jones, 30 days? She's on page 2 of the announcement docket, the last case.
What are we doing yourself?
Reset, yes, standard reset. Keep it on announcement. November 5th. November 5th of 2025. Ms. Jones, you'll get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. Just have a seat in that first chair on the wall, wait for your name to be called.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you ready on Billingsley too, Mr. Faggot?
I'm sorry?
Are you ready on?
Reset before dawn.
Oh, that was already reset?
Same day.
Okay.
Same day. You want to
Okay.
just send me, I need to run, when you get your reset. and then
May I approach on?
Get in touch.
Yes.
Well, Judge, I'm Joe Garcia. I'm here on Julio Garcia Hernandez, Your Honor.
Jose Garcia, okay.
Yes, and the defendant is,
Mr. Julio Garcia Hernandez?
and we are applying for PTD on this case, Your Honor. It's a trespassing case.
They're applying for what?
PTD,
Oh, pretrial
pretrial
diversion.
diversion, I'm sorry.
Mr. Garcia Hernandez, your full name is Julio Garcia Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. You representing case by attorney Jose Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor. No relation.
How are you doing?
Good, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, this case is gonna be reset for pretrial diversion. We're gonna reset this case to December 15th.
Yes, Your Honor, that's fine.
Okay. This case will be reset to December 15th. Mr. Garcia Hernandez, you'll be able to get a copy of your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go. And Attorney Garcia, you get a copy, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Thank you,
have a
Judge.
blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where did Mr. Grove go? Yeah, no, I saw him standing to my left. Well, that's all right. We'll get to the next one. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 1376. Case is style of state of Texas versus Danae Darkins. Desnae Darkins. Now, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1376. And the Desnae Darkins.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you doing, Ms. Dawkins? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Dawkins, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jack Lawrence. Hey, Mr. Lawrence, how are you doing?
Just fine, Your Honor, but I couldn't complete the plea agreement because she has some questions she wants to ask you about.
Now, Ms. Dawkins, one, I'm the judge in this case. I can't give you any legal advice.
No, I just got that program you was mentioning about when I came in from my first court day about some of the Jefferson County to show first offense.
Oh, you're talking about pretrial diversion?
Yes, I invaded my arrest and I had anything to do with any gun.
Okay, now you can talk to your attorney about that.
That's what I was telling him. He said I can't do that.
Well, okay. I can't give you any advice on that. I mean, you can talk to your attorney about that. It's just an application.
Can I talk to Jack in the back, Your Honor?
Yes. Okay. All right. Just have a seat.
We're gonna go in the back room and talk. Come with us.
No, I think she just want to talk to you. Okay, this is, well, we had three cases. Cause numbers 24 CCCR 0158. Cause number 24 CCCR 0426. And cause number 24 CCCR 0159. All three cases are style of state of Texas versus Keelan Randolph. And Mr. Randolph, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Randolph? I'm doing fine. And state is represented in this case by Mr. Samuel Masradian. And Mr. Masradian, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. Now, Mr. Randolph, you do not have an attorney in these cases. I see that you have a felony case. Is that correct? Or you had a felony case?
I had a felony.
Okay, so you just have these misdemeanors pending. You do not have any felony cases. Okay. Now, hold on a minute. Let me see. Now, Mr. Randolph, you were here August 6th of 2025. On that date, you stated that you wanted to hire an attorney.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you hired your attorney?
Yes, sir. I just started working, so I'm still looking for a lawyer right now. I talked to some lawyers, but the price is too much.
Okay. Now, these cases actually were pending because you had the felony case. Who was at one time, I think, were you represented by Burbank?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Burbank. And Mr. Burbank did not represent you on the misdemeanor cases. Is that correct?
He withdrew.
Oh, he withdrew. He did represent you, but he withdrew off of the case. Okay, then your case was reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney, another attorney.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much time do you need to hire an attorney?
Like 30 days.
Okay. Give us a reset for 30 days.
November 5th.
Okay, this case will be reset November 5th, 2025. Mr. Randolph, you can get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets in these cases, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. And wait for your name to be called. Did anybody try to call a Burbank?
Yes, Judge.
Jefferson County Code Law number 2 is back in session. Let's see. Court is in session and calls number 25 CCCR 1376. And we have Ms. Darkins, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Lawrence is representing Ms. Darkins. Mr. Lawrence, what's your announcement in Mr. Darkins' case?
Ms. Darkins wants to apply for pretrial diversion and the DA agrees.
Okay, so we're gonna reset this case to December 15th.
December 15th?
Yes, of 2025. That give you time to submit the application to Pat Connaught for pretrial diversion. And we may get a response by that date. Now, if she gets accepted in the pretrial diversion, and if they give her the sign-in date will be the first Thursday in the month. Is that correct?
Correct. Every other month.
Okay, they'll send all that, they'll send that information to you, Mr. Lawrence.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to submit a letter to the district attorney's office asking that she be considered as a candidate for pretrial diversion. All right, so your case is reset December 15th, 2025. Ms. Darkins, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman, and you have a blessed day.
Who do I notify if she gets pretrial diversion?
Her?
Yeah, because I've been trying to get in touch with him. It's like his voicemail box is full and I can't get hold.
Okay, well, hopefully he can give you a better, give her a number where she can get in contact with you and stay in contact with you, okay?
But if Pat agrees to it, that'll take care of everything?
No. If he agrees to it, they will send you a letter telling you that she has a sign-up date, and then you will have to bring her to the district attorney's office on that date. It's usually the first Thursday of the month.
Mm-hmm.
So in December, it'll be the first Thursday of December, and you'll have to go on the 3rd floor.
Mm-hmm.
And there's probation office and the prosecutor up there. They'll sign you up. They'll have the forms for her to sign to get into the program.
I've been through that before, yeah.
Okay.
So
All right.
That's and that will take care of the reset date?
If she gets into that program on that date, then she would not have to come back on this day because the state will have dismissed the case.
All right. I was just making sure.
All right. You can get a reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. Ms. Darkins, and you have a blessed day.
You too, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Now, Mr. Lawrence, you also have Kanisha Monique
She's here.
Williams. Ms. Williams.
She wants another attorney.
Okay, well, they would have to file a motion to withdraw.
It's my first knowledge of it.
Okay,
Today.
why don't y'all come on up? Okay, hold on a minute.
First time I knew about it.
Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 2980, case of style of state of Texas versus Kanisha Monique Williams.
That's yours, isn't
Yes.
it?
Okay. Now, Miss Williams, your full name is Kanisha Monique Williams?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how you doing, Miss Williams?
I'm fine with you.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Miss Williams, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Jack Lawrence. And now, Mr. Lawrence, you stated that Miss Williams wants another attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you would have to file your motion to withdraw.
First
I
time
know. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset the case to give you time to file the motion to withdraw. And then we'll have a hearing on that date. Okay?
All right. If you wanted to, Your Honor, you could just go ahead and appoint her another attorney. I'll be happy to withdraw.
Yeah, but you need to file your motion first.
All right.
Okay?
That's fine.
All right. Okay, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. Ms. Williams and Mr. Lawrence, I think this is your last case. You're free to go as well.
Okay, thank you.
So I'll be in contact with the
No,
motion or
no, he'll file the motion
Uh-huh.
and then you'll come back on that court date that she's going to give you and we'll hear the motion.
Okay,
All right?
thank you.
All right. What's that court date?
November 3rd.
November 3rd.
Sweet. Okay, thank you.
Is this both those guys?
Oh, that door is locked, ma'am. Okay, Marquette Papillion,
Yes, sir.
or Papillon. Bless you. Yeah, how you pronounce it, Papillon or Papillion? Papillion? Okay. Mr. Papillion, you are represented in your case by your attorney, David Grove. Mr. Grove, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. Thank
And Mr. Papillion, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Grove, what's your announcement in Mr. Papillion's case?
I found out this morning that Mr. Papillion has another case in Orange County, and I'd like to get the copy of that case.
Okay,
I believe we can, if we have a couple of weeks, we could probably dispose of both cases at the same time.
okay. Okay. Give us a reset date.
It's November 3rd.
November 3rd.
That's fine. Sure.
Okay, this case was reset to November 3rd, 2025. So he has a case in Orange County. Mr. Papillion, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr. Grove, I think this is your only case. You get your reset, you're free to go as well.
Thank you, Judge.
Myron Jones. Give me a clipboard with that paperwork on it. I think they're waiting on somebody. Okay, this is court is in session in two cases, cause numbers 23 CCCR 1372 and cause number 23 CCCR 1374. Put it in. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Myron Kenya Jones. How you doing, Mr. Jones?
I'm good.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Jones, let's see, explanation, emotional. I already gave him that. Now, Mr. Jones, you appeared in court last month, August 6th of 2025, in your case. Hold on a minute, wrong one. Mr. Jones. The motion to revoke. We send it. Who's the order second? Now, Mr. Jones,
Yes, sir.
I have before me in cause number 23 CCCR 1372, a second amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. This motion was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. See, in this motion, let's see. Let me go back to page. Now, this motion was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this motion, it alleges that you, Amarian Kenya Jones, was tried in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on February 27, 2024, a Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. The court found that the evidence was sufficient beyond a reasonable doubt to support a finding of guilt. However, the court deferred adjudicating your guilt and placed you on unadjudicated probation for a period of 1 year. In this motion, there are 6 allegations. Allegation number 1 alleges that you, Amarian Kenya Jones, failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office by mail or web as ordered by the court the months of December 2023, January 2024, February 2024 as directed in violation of Condition 4 of the special amendment dated November 9th of 2023 of your probation order. Allegation number 2 alleged that you, Amarian Kenya Jones, failed to pay drugs screening fees as assessed and or directed by Harris County Community Supervision in violation of Condition 7 of the special amendment dated November 9th, 2023 of your probation order. Allegation number 3 alleges that you, Amarian Kenya Jones, failed to pay code assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of February 27 of 2024, you were $595 in arrears in violation of Condition 9 of your probation order. Allegation number 4 alleges that you, Amarian Kenya Jones, failed to abstain from the use or possession of any drugs except those taken or possessed under doctor's orders as ordered by the court. On or about February 19, 2024, you, Amarian Kenya Jones, provided a urine sample to Harris County Community Supervision Department for a scientific analysis that showed the presence of the metabolic byproducts of marijuana in violation of Condition 14 of your probation order. Allegation number 5 alleges that you, Amarian Kenya Jones, failed to never become intoxicated or be under the influence of any intoxicating substance on or about February 19 of 2024 in Harris County, Texas, that you, Amarian Kenya Jones, became intoxicated under the influence of an intoxicating substance in violation of Condition 15 of your probation order. And allegation number 6 alleges that you, Amari and Kenya Jones, failed to perform community service hours as required, as ordered by the court, in violation of condition 17 of your probation order. Now, Mr. Jones, if the court find that you violated any one of these conditions, the court can revoke your probation. And if the court revokes your probation, the court can sentence you up to 1 year in the county jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, as a defendant in a, let's see, we have another case. Go to your next case. Your next case is cause number 23 CCCR 1374. And in this case, we have a first amended motion to revoke your probation. And in this motion that was filed by the Jefferson County. First amended. And in this motion, Mr. Jones, the state alleges that on February 27 of 2024, in County Court Outlaw number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, that you was tried for the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. And the court found that the evidence was sufficient beyond a reasonable doubt to support a finding of guilt. However, the court placed you on, the court deferred adjudicating your guilt and placed you on deferred adjudicated probation for a period of 1 year. In this motion, there are 5 allegations. Allegation number 1 alleges that you, Marion Kenya Jones, failed to report to Jefferson County Probation Office by mail or web, as ordered by the court, the months of December 2023, January 2024, February 2024, as directed in violation of condition 4 of your special amendment dated November 9, 2023. Allegation number 2 alleges that you, Marion Kenya Jones, failed to pay drug sentencing fees as assessed and directed by the Harris County Community Supervision Department in violation of condition 7 of your special amendment dated November 9th of 2023 of your probation order. Allegation number 3 alleges that you, Marion Kenya Jones, failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of February 27 of 2024, you were $180 in arrears in violation of condition 9 of your probation order. Allegation number 4 alleges that you, Marion Kenya Jones, failed to abstain from the use or possession of any drugs except those taken or possessed under doctor's orders as ordered by the court on or about February 19, 2024. You, Marion Kenya Jones, provided a urine sample to Harris County Community Supervision Department for a scientific analysis and showed the presence of the metabolic byproducts of marijuana in violation of condition 14 of your probation order. And allegation number 5 alleges that you, Marion Kenya Jones, failed to never become intoxicated or be under the influence of any intoxicating substance on or about February 19, 2024 in Harris County, Texas, that you, Marion Kenya Jones, became intoxicated under the influence of an intoxicating substance in violation of condition 15 of your probation order. Now, Mr. Jones, if the court finds that you violated any one of these conditions, the court can revoke your probation. If your probation is revoked, you can receive up to 1 year in the county jail. Now, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have a right to have an attorney. That clipboard before you has a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. And that document states that as a defendant in a criminal case, you have 3 options. regarding your right to have an attorney. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number two, if you can't afford to hire an attorney, you may request that an attorney be appointed to represent you. And number three, you may waive your right to an attorney and you may represent yourself. Now, the first paragraph below number one states that if you want an attorney and you have enough money to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. Reset means that you'll be given another court date to give you time to hire an attorney. The second paragraph states that if you want an attorney but do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request that an attorney be appointed to represent you. But you must first fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Now, the financial questionnaire is a 3-page document that is on that clipboard. It is titled Affidavit of Indigence. If you turn to that document, if you would like to apply for court-appointed attorney, you will fill out the first page of that document. And then if you turn to the second page, you will fill the top portion that is titled Defendant's Oath and the middle portion that is titled Unsworn Declaration by a Defendant. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now go back to that first document, Judge's Explanation of Rights of Defendants without Attorney. Now, the next paragraph, the third paragraph below number 3, it's a 1-sentence paragraph. It states that you may not talk to the prosecutors about your case unless you first sign a written waiver of your right. What that paragraph is talking about, if you desire to represent yourself, if you desire to represent yourself, obviously you'll be acting as your own attorney. And it's because you're acting as your own attorney, you'll have an opportunity to talk to one of the prosecutors. Now, the prosecutors are assistant criminal district attorneys. You can talk to them about your case. Why? Because you are your own attorney. You're representing yourself,
Right.
just like an attorney would represent you. So, but that paragraph, that 1-sentence paragraph states that you cannot speak to the prosecutors unless you first sign a written waiver of your rights. In essence, there is another document on the clipboard that is titled Waiver of Counsel for purposes of entering a guilty plea or proceeding to trial. Do you see that document?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you would like to represent yourself, you'd have to read that document, and then you'll sign on the line that's titled Defendant, and you will date it today's date. Okay, now let's go back to that first document. Now, the second to the last paragraph is in block form. You see that? It's about 4 lines. It's in block form.
Yes, sir.
If you would like to represent yourself, that paragraph states that you should be aware that there are dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status, and employment. Now, if the next the last 1-sentence paragraph states that if you are representing yourself, you may change your mind at any time and request that an attorney be appointed to represent you. Okay? Now, at the bottom of that document, in bold letters, it states defendant's choice. Mark initials next to only one choice. If your choice is to hire your own attorney, then you'll place your initials on the first line to the left. Now, if you've already hired an attorney, you place your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is to apply for a court-appointed attorney, then you will place your initials on the third line to the left. If you've already been appointed a court-appointed attorney in your case, you'll place your initials on the fourth line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. Now, if your choice is to waive your right to an attorney, that is, give up your right to have an attorney you would like to represent yourself, then you'll place your initials on the fifth line to the left. Now, once you have finished initialing one of the 5 lines to the left, then you will sign your name on the line that is titled Defendant at the bottom of that document, and you will date it today's date, September 24, 2025. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, now, Mr. Jones, have a seat in that table. You can make your choice. Yeah, and you fill out the applications that you need to fill out, and then once you finish, you can let the bailiff know, and then she'll bring the paperwork to the court, to me, and then we'll bring you back up.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a seat. Did you find out, okay, this is clause number 23CCCR 0214. Case is style the state of Texas. Versus Lakeisha D. Keys. And I have before me a motion to dismiss. Is that correct, state?
That's correct, Your Honor. Defendant has paid all arrearages in this case.
And I'm signing the dismissal. And Mr. Rojas, you could get a copy of the dismissal in a few minutes.
Oh, and with that, I think that's the last thing.
Okay. Yeah, it's just, I just signed it. Mr. Jones, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Jones, you may put your hand down. Mr. Jones, I have before me document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defender? And are these your initials on the line that states you would like to have your case reset to hire your own attorney?
Yes, sir.
Now, before you sign this document, did you read this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Sir.
Okay, Mr. Jones, I read your answers. Well, I read this document, see your responses, and so your case will be reset to give you an opportunity to hire your own attorney. Mr. Jones, have a seat in the, yeah, just have a seat and wait for your name to be called. A case is being dismissed. Sir.
Somebody told to bring it. We can leave that stuff in. Just you.
Yeah, you can give it to yeah.
Jones, should we set that?
Yes. Mr. Gilliam, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Burbank.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh, good morning. Now, Mr. Burbank, I have your client here. There's some information that we have to discuss. And I'm going to
I can be down there right after lunch, Judge. I'm getting
now, well,
ready for a travel.
this guy's he's in a facility that's in Houston.
Right. And if I may address the court for a second, we had conversations, I guess, with that facility. They called my office or my office called them.
Mr. Burbank, let me do this here. We're on YouTube now. Pursuant to Article 1.24 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedures, all trials and proceedings shall be public. However, pursuant to the case of Lilly versus State 365, Southwest 3rd, 321, the right to a public trial is not absolute and may be outweighed by other competing interests, such as the interest in security, to ensure that the defendant receives a fair trial and to prevent the disclosure of non-public information. Now, Mr. Burbank, at this time, are you requesting that this portion of the hearing be closed to the public to prevent the disclosure of non-public information?
We can, Judge. I was not going to go into detail to disclose anything.
Okay, now, because I may ask some questions that may get into that. Now, at this time, the court finds that the party seeking the disclosure has an advanced and overriding interest that is likely to be prejudiced to his client in that it would disclose non-public information. The court finds that this request is not overbroad and is necessary to prevent the disclosure of non-public information. The court has considered other reasonable alternatives. So at this time, this portion of the hearing will be closed to the public.